Wow, look at these buildings here. Ooh, what a nice building. These are some beautiful tree-lined buildings. The brownstones, they're about 4 stories, plus they have a basement. These brownstones gotta go for at least 10 million. I'm down here in Fort Greene, Brooklyn here. And when you think about how to achieve the purchase of buying a brownstone, well, at this level, these brownstones, like I said, got to be at least 10 million. I'm gonna say between 5 and 10 million over here. Probably more depending on square footage, size, air rights, etc. But your income has to be at least 4 times the mortgage amount. So let's say your mortgage amount is, $20,000 a month, let's say. You got to be bringing in at least $80,000 a month. That's what I think. Now that's debatable. Some people think that you should maybe bring in maybe $40,000 to $60,000 a month. But I mean, shit may hit the fan. You may need extra income just in case shit hit the fan. Plus, number 2, you need a healthy amount of savings at this level here. Your savings, you got to have at least $2-3 million of savings in your bank account in order to be able to afford a brownstone in the event that something happens. Okay? Number 3, the schools around here are really good, so it's a good place to raise your kids at. So this is how it's to be done.